Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about plan to learn algorithms and data structures from scratch for the beginners. How to start? First, day one. Day one, we need to learn about Big O complexity chart and understand about the concept of algorithm complexity, Big O notion, either time complexity and space complexity, both of them. Skip the theory for now, but for every piece of code you write, you should be able to derive both the time and space complex. So it's okay, guys, and skip it now, and you can come back about this one. And first, day 2 to 10, what do we have to do? So day 2 to 10, let's start with some simple data structures: arrays, linked lists, strings, stacks, queues. Simple data structures, and you need to learn about this one, day 2 to 10. Okay, next you can go for day 11 to 25. Let's now learn some simple algorithm strings. We have in string searching, LCS longest common subsequences, palindrome detection, prime numbers, CV of the Eratosthenes, and the primality test, sorting, quick sort, insertion sort, heap sort, merge sort, bucket sort, counting sort, radix sort, external sorting. In miscellaneous are there, okay, some algorithms, matrix multiplications, Fibonacci numbers, Pascal's triangle, max subarray problem. And just in 11 to 25 you can concentrate on string, prime number, sorting, miscellaneous. Okay, and next is the 11 day 26 to 50. Once you are comfortable with everything above, start doing problems: lead code, anchor rank, and interview bit. The cracking coding interview programming, one of the book is available in the Amazon. And the programming interviews exposed secret to the landing your next job, this one also is available in Amazon. If you want to buy, you can buy, guys, just $10 or $50 maximum. Lead code is on almost 3000 algorithms data structures is free, just you can go and practice. Anchor rank also, some of them is free, and interview bit also, some of them is free, and just you can go and practice in these websites. I'm going to give the links in all these resource, guys, and just you can go through it. Stick to chapters of arrays, linked lists, strings, stacks, queues, and complexity. And already I made in one video about the big O notion. Just go through about, understand about the what is the big O notion, what is the time complexity, what is the space complexity. Then it will go to help you guys. What we are, and every time once you are finishing any algorithm, any data structure, just you can analyze yourself using a big O notion. What is the time complexity, what is the space complexity? That's very important. Interviewer will go to ask you, if you are going for interview, if they are giving any program, they will go to ask you about that one, interviewer. So what is the space complexity, time complexity for the per loop or short or nested for loops? You can understand about all this stuff, guys. Okay, and day 51 to 60, let's learn some non-linear data structures: tree, binary search tree, tree traversals, lowest common ancestors, depth, height, and diameter, finding kth smallest element, heaps, hash table, for some problem, checking the pseudo queue solution is valid, graph, breadth first search, depth first search, and topological sorting, minimum spanning tree, shortest path problems. Okay, this is very important, guys. In a hash table, most of the time I faced it in my interview, and as well as the tree. And the tree also, the binary search tree is very important. So graph is depth first search, some people is going to ask in shortest path problems also. So just you can keep on practicing all these non-linear data structures as well. Next, go for day 60 to 90, refer the previous resources and start doing problems from trees, hash table, heaps, and graphs. And next is the day 90 to 100, understand computational complexity theory and the NP completeness, and the naps shack problem, and the traveling salesman problem, sad problem, and so on. So here, you need to understand before starting any data structure and algorithm, as I mentioned earlier, just to go through the big O notion. And what is the big O notion? what is the time complexity, what is the space complexity, what are all the, if you are getting in for loop, what is the time complexity, space complexity, iterations, and for iterations, and if you are getting in nested loop, what is the time complexity, space complexity. You need to understand all about these guys on while loop and a short, and you can estimate the time complexity, space complexity. That's very important, guys, and keep in mind before jumping onto any data structure and any algorithm, just understand about the big one notion, and then you can jump on the data structures and algorithm. This is for purely for beginners, guys. I hope you can understand about this one, and just you can start the journey about all this stuff. I hope you can understand about this one. See you guys, and we'll catch up in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.